Hello guys, I will be discussing to you how SQL distinct works. So we have a new function here which is the select distinct and select without distinct. So meron tayo ditong table from our database. Ang name ng ating table ay customers. Ayan. So, ayan yung table natin for customers. Now, we use select distinct function to retrieve records or values without duplication. So, let's try. Ayan. So, dito natin ilalagay yung syntax natin. Select, and syempre, yung word na distinct, meaning unique or different values from the column country. Like for example, from the table customers. Ayan. So, a while ago, nakita natin yung table and yung table name na customer. So, meron tayong mga column doon and yung napili nating column ay ang country. So, select distinct country, which is one of the columns sa ating table, from customers, which is yung ating table name. So, let's try to run. Ayan. So, based sa ating output, ang nilagay niya lang sa ating output ay ang Germany, Mexico, UK, and Sweden. So, as you can see, walang duplication sa countries na nandito. Not unlike kapag nilagay lang natin ang select country from customers. So again, we select the column country from the table customers. Tingnan natin kung anong ilalabas niya pag in-execute. Ayan. Hindi katulad kanina na iisang value lang ang lumalabas. Ngayon, meron tayong Germany, dalawang Mexico, UK, and Sweden. So that's the difference between select distinct and select without distinct. So ginagamit natin yung distinct function para ma-retrieve yung records or values ng hindi nagde-duplicate or walang duplication.